Hello everybody, I want to show you headphones JayBird X2 because I have what's inside headphones, Bluetooth headphones. What I have them here with case, with everything, and what inside these headphones. At first, buttons, if you see, volume up, down, and on off button. If we open it, we can see, I want to show you better focus. I hope you see. This is a simple one button, volume down, up, and microphone. What here is, and then we open this. It's took away. Micro USB, and it open like this. And we have this things. You can see everything is simple. They are working, but not very good. They lost connection with a smartphone. And another is disconnected the same things. If you see, and now you will be, I took away this at first, and then is a battery. And now when we want to turn on headphones, we must push this button on. If you see, the green lights on and then red. The headphones are connecting to my smartphone. I chose JayBird. They are connecting. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, you can ask. I will try to answer all your questions. Now you know what is inside JayBird X2 headphones. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.